training has been well. We still have got another 2 days to train after today's session. The boys are pushing very well, and we only have got one injury, and Rafa Pitt is the goalkeeper, but otherwise everyone is ready to go.
Talking about 2 more days to train, you missed out at the weekend on the Chibuku Super Cup because of the venue was not available. Would you say that missing out of Chibuku gave you some advantage to tune the team in preparation for this league match?
Yeah, it was advantage for us because we were able to try and gel the team more together, especially where we have always found one thing in terms of converting those chances, and I hope this coming weekend we can manage to score and win again.
Taylor, of course, they've been doing well. Maybe what would be your approach in going to that game?
Come again?
Taylor, they've been doing well in the league.
Okay, yeah, it's a very strong side. They've been good so far this season. They are getting the results, even the log table. You can see they are up top there, which shows that they are a tricky side. We know that they are a tricky side, and we're going to do our best to get a result that we need.
Every other coach would admit that football is a pressure game. Most of you coaches, don't want to be asked that question if they're under pressure or they're not under pressure or they're doing fine. How is it like for you, Highlanders' performance in the past few games as we draw closer to the end of the season? I think it's 9 games remaining. How has it been for you, and what's your outlook beginning with the Tail One game, going ahead after a streak of not so good results?
Yeah, pressure is always there. You can't run away from pressure in football. Pressure is always there, but it's how we manage pressure, and everything so far is under control because we are confident of turning the table. We are confident of getting the results. The pressure is always there. This is football. We can't run away from it, but we are positive, and the boys are confident of getting the result. The most important thing is that even if we did not get the desired results in the past games, you could see the fighting spirit in the players, and we have created a lot of chances that we did not manage to bury, and we cannot say we have played well, but we have performed not in a dismal way. But sometimes you draw a game that you don't deserve to draw. Sometimes you lose a game that you don't deserve to lose, but this is football. We can't run away from it.
You brought in some new faces during the window. How have they adapted into the team?
They are still churning in, and the other ones are still yet to finalize